Hairocraft Hair Transplant Experts.
Many patients have been asking me about baldness in grade 6 and grade 7 cases. So I thought let's prepare a video for them. Hi, I am your friend Dr. Abhishek. I have been doing hair transplant from past 8 years, and in this video I am going to talk about hair transplantation for grade 6, grade 7 cases. Let me first clarify what is a grade 6 and grade 7 case. As you can see in the picture, a grade 6, grade 7 case, there will be no hair present on the frontal portion and on the crown side. Now I'll talk about what are the factors we should consider before choosing a grade 6 and grade 7 case. In grade 6 case, you may not have much of a donor to extract the grafts. So the presence of grafts is important. The next point is what is your expectation and what we can fulfill. Many of my patients say that they want full coverage from grade 6 case. Now let me explain this. In grade 6 cases, covering a full area is not possible because of the limited number of donors available. So partial filling is important. In grade 6 case, to give a full coverage to the patient, we need roughly around 25,000 grafts. Now 25,000 grafts is not at all possible to extract from the available donor. Maximum what we can extract is roughly around 3,000 to 4,000 grafts. Now this 3,000 grafts, if we scatter throughout, your scalp is still visible post results. So the purpose of the surgery is not achieved as the scalp is still visible. So scattering of graft is not a good option. Rather, we can just keep it in a limited area so that once the hair grow, you have a decent density. What are the factors to consider before doing the procedure? First thing is, how thick is your donor? What I mean to say is, how many grafts can be extracted from the donor, and if the thickness of the donor is good, your results will be good. Then the next point is, what is the expectation from your side? It is important to have a realistic expectation because giving a full coverage won't be possible in grade 6 cases. Now from our end, we will try our best to give you whatever best density with the maximum coverage is possible, but you should still have a realistic expectation. In grade 6 or grade 7 cases, having expectation of getting a full coverage is little unrealistic. As a doctor, what best I can do is giving you optimal density with the maximum coverage. Now I will discuss a case which I did in 2016. As you can see in the picture, the patient's name is Mr. Sri Kumar. You can see the hairline which I have drawn for him. And next thing, you can see the distribution of the grafts taken. As it is seen in the picture, the grafts are not scattered throughout. It is not a full coverage case, but it is a partially done case. Now you can see the results. If you see the results, the density which has come out is pretty decent. Hairline is also looking natural and patient is also looking very happy. The next aspect is hairline formation. I have done more than 2,000 cases in past 8 years, and I can tell you from my experience that choosing a hairline too high or too low is not good. It should always be according to the age, and it should always be what doctors will advise you. Many of my patients' friends come and ask me, Doctor, you only do my case and I am expecting the same results as my friend. So let me clarify this. Results for all the people are different. You cannot have a similar results which you see from your friend or someone else's results. There are so many factors that determine a good result. As a doctor, I can put same efforts what I put for all my cases. I can do a clear extraction, I can give you a natural looking hairline, and I can utilize the grafts available in a proper manner. For best results, your cooperation is also important. You need to maintain your proper diet, get good sleep, clean the scalp properly, and follow the instructions given by us. I know you have many more questions, so in case if you have any queries, I welcome you all to come and meet me in my clinic at Koramangala, Bangalore.
Hairocraft Hair Transplant Experts.